Welcome to Heritage Lake in West Mobile, Alabama. My featured home of the day is the Oakley floor plan. This home features 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's over 1,700 square feet. It features luxury vinyl plank throughout the living areas, along with vaulted ceilings in the living area. The primary suite features a tray ceiling, dual vanities in the primary bath, along with a nice sized walk-in closet, a soaking tub, and a freestanding shower. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Anytime you go to a D.R. Horton community, please ask for Frankie Wink. My services are free for buyers. I look forward to helping you find your next dream home. D.R. Horton has the best interest rates in town. Call today for more details, 251-234-9919. And don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so this drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. And D.R. Horton pays up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs.